Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make omelette ham, easy method. Crack eggs into a bowl, season with salt and pepper, and whisk until smooth. Heat a non-stick pan over medium, melt butter, and sauté diced ham for 1 to 2 minutes. Pour eggs into the pan, stir gently, then let set at the edges for about 30 seconds. Fold the omelette, slide onto a plate, and serve immediately with toast or salad. Prepare ingredients before heating the pan to keep timing crisp and quick. Dice ham into small pieces so it heats evenly and releases flavor. Beat eggs with milk for a creamier texture and a gentle rise. Season lightly because ham adds salt and adjust after cooking. Measure butter with a tablespoon to avoid burning. Have a spatula and plate ready to fold and serve the omelette while hot right away. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, long-lasting scent that makes errands nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily today and save time. Thanks for the support, and now, let's get back to the video. Heat the skillet and melt butter until it foams without browning, then add ham and cook quickly. Tilt the pan after pouring beaten eggs so they spread evenly and form a thin base. Stir gently for the first few seconds to mix ham, then stop stirring so curds form. When edges set and center is slightly runny, fold the omelette and let residual heat finish cooking. Serve immediately for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.